It's over the snowy hills. Well, snowy hill. I actually took a long video earlier and deleted it by accident. But that wasn't the best sunset time. It's a better sunset time now anyway. It's coming right up to sunset. What's that? I'm always on the lookout for horseshoe vortices. I mean, I saw one once. It was years ago. No, those are just scud clouds, I think. Going all squiggly. Yeah, I'll zoom right out. I like the artwork as well. There's a bunch of birds coming over. Hang on. Very nice view. I'm going to stay filming a little, just see if this gets better. I like the little tops of the clouds, where only like the top, very top is illuminated. It's really nice. I don't know if you can hear me mumbling. Yeah, I like the tops of the clouds where just like the very edge of the cloud gets illuminated. It's got a straight edge to that cloud. Snowed more here than in Bedworth. There was pretty much no snow on the ground there.